Hi, I'm Karthik. In this video, I'm going to guide you on the basic requirements to start an oil painting. First, you'll need oil paint, brushes, linseed oil, thinner, paper towel, and canvas. Now, let me tell you the uses of each of the product and where you can buy from economically. Oil paints. There are various brands of oil paints in the market. To begin with, you can buy a student's oil color rather than an artist's oil color to be economical. You can go for artist's oil color once you feel that you want to paint more complex paintings. You can buy this in any of the art supplies or stationery stores. Paintbrush. There are multiple paintbrushes in the market that you can use in a single painting. To start with, you can go for a flat brush and a round brush. Preferably, buy a fan brush, which can give you a great effect in the landscape paintings. You can also buy the 1-inch and the 2-inch brushes for a cheap price from any of the local hardware shops. These brushes will come in good use for larger paintings to cover larger areas. Linseed oil. In oil painting, you'll need something to use as a medium to thin the paint. In this case, we use linseed oil. Linseed oil thins the paint, gives you a flow on the canvas, and also reduces the drying time. You can find these in any of the art supply or a stationery store. It is also available in any of the supermarket which has a art supply section. Thinner. Thinners are majorly used to clean your brushes. When you're making a painting, you'll need a little bit of thinner now and then to clean your brushes before you pick up a new paint. But once you complete a painting, you'll need a lot of thinner to clean your brushes. Make sure when you use thinners, there is proper ventilation. Never use it in a closed room. You can find this in the local hardware shops and also at any of the art supply shops. Paper towels, or also known as kitchen roll. You can use this to wipe your brushes in between painting. It is sometimes used to remove the excess paint on your painting. It is available in most of the supermarkets. A canvas. Oil paints are majorly painted on canvas. You can use a canvas board or a loose canvas. Loose canvas can be stuck to a hard board with a masking tape. Preferably, start with a canvas board. You can also buy a canvas stretched on a frame from any of the art supply stores. A canvas board and a canvas sheet can be found in any of the stationery shops and also in some of the supermarkets. Finally, a palette. Oil painting tends to be very messy. You can either use a piece of plastic which is hard enough to hold the paint and discard it later, or you can use a piece of tile and scrape it off or scrub it off once it is dry or when it is wet. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.